Hey guys, so today I wanted to talk about something very interesting, and that is why do we overthink? Okay, I just read this somewhere and I found it really interesting that we overthink in order to predict the uncertainties around us. By uncertainties, I mean, suppose you're facing a problem. The problem could be you just had a breakup, right? And now there are many millions of uncertainties around you. You don't know what lies in front of you because you were so attached to that particular person. Now there are so many uncertainties and your mind would be caught up in a loop of thoughts and predicting कि वो क्या uncertainties हो सकती है, what could happen in the future. So यहाँ से start होती है overthinking, and when you gradually start imparting your energy to these thoughts, to these random thoughts revolving around your head, you actually develop anxiety. Repeated cycles of these things could even lead to mental imbalance, and you might start to feel more sad quite often, and all of that stuff we all oftentimes have faced once in our lives. So what could really be the solution? So obviously we cannot stop the uncertainties around us. That is not possible practically. But what we could really do is stop our mind from imparting energy to those random thoughts revolving around our head. Even a fact that we cannot stop the thoughts coming across our head, but हमें focus करना होगा to stop giving our energy to those thoughts जो हमारे दिमाग में आ रहे हैं. And how can this be achieved? This can really be achieved by meditation. Meditation is very underrated, I think. Specifically, it really helps in recollecting your thoughts and discovering what your thought process revolves around. And I mean, personally, initially when I started meditating, I was doing it very wrongly because I was aiming to reach that state of thoughtlessness where I'm not thinking anymore. But practically that's impossible for a beginner to reach a state of thoughtlessness, because imagine one moment you're just constantly caught in a loop of thoughts, and the other moment how could you reach the state of thoughtlessness? So what you should really aim for while meditating is observing your thoughts. Yeah, it might be difficult for quite a few while in the initial start, maybe the first week, maybe till 2 weeks, but gradually when you start doing it, it works like magic. So what you're supposed to do is just simply close your eyes, or maybe listen to your favorite music, and then let the thoughts in your head pass by. जो भी thoughts आ रहे हैं, just let it pass by and observe those thoughts. Notice करो कि क्या thoughts आ रहे हैं, and do not give your energy to those thoughts. For example, if you had a thought of a death of a loved one, I mean, we all oftentimes once have had this thought. Now, do not freak out that why am I having this thought, or start crying at the imaginary death of a loved one. Just view it as a thought and just let it pass by. It'll come, it'll stay there for a moment, and it'll then go away, and maybe another thought would enter your head. Just let that process repeat, and in between these thoughts, just remind yourself that you are here to observe your thoughts and not impart your energy, because you will be catching yourself going back to imparting your energy to those thoughts. So just remind yourself in those tiny gaps between each of the thought that I am here to not impart my energy to the thoughts. Are you getting my point? I am really grateful for the benefits of meditation, and I'm able to notice it within me and how much they have helped me create a balance. So yeah, this is really helpful in stopping that constant loop of thoughts, anxiety, and unnecessary fear. There was a point when I used to be really sad, and sad for no reason, and lost interest in the things around me. But yeah, it took a lot of work to regain that interest and really enjoy life and laugh at the smallest moments. Like, are you getting my point? I hope I'm not yapping too much, but yeah, like, this is what I feel, that you just need to flow through it, chill, relax. You're doing all right. It's not your grades, it's not your friend circle, it's not you. It's just that you need to shift your energies and channelize it in the right direction. Yeah, that was it.